Hello everyone. So in this video we'll solve LeetCode problem number 1365, that is how many numbers are smaller than the current number. So in the problem statement, given the array nums for each nums of I, find out how many numbers in the array are smaller than it. That is, for each nums of I, you have to count the number of valid j's such that j not equal to I and nums of j is lesser than nums of I, and we have to return the answer in an array. So in the problem statement, we are given an array of numbers and we have to return how many elements are lesser than the current element, and this we have to do for all the elements and we have to return it as an array. So let's take example 1. So in example 1, the given nums array is 8, 1, 2, 2 and 3. So we'll count how many elements are lesser than the present element. So let's say the present element is 8. So number of elements lesser than 8 are 4. Number of elements lesser than 1 is 0. For 2 it's 1. Again for 2 it's 1. And for 3 it will be 3. So this is the output. Similarly for example 2, the given input nums is 6, 5, 4, 8. So number of element lesser than 6 is 2, that is 5 and 4, and for 5 it is only 1, that is 4. For 4 it's 0, and for 8 it is 3. All elements are lesser than this, so output will be this. So we can solve this using two iterator. First is we will point one iterator to the present element, and using second iterator we will go through all other elements and check if the present element is greater than other element or not. Then we will shift this iterator to second element. Like this we will keep on doing until we reach the last of the array. So doing this using two loops will require a time complexity of order of n square. So we can reduce the time complexity by sorting the given array. So let's say we will create one more array. Let's say it temp, and we will store all the elements of given nums input array into this. So it will be 1, 2, 2 and 3, and then we will sort this temp array. After sorting, the temp array will become 1, 2, 2, 3 and 8. And now we will use only one iterator and we will scan all the elements in the nums array. So we come to 8 and we will find where is 8 located in the sorted array. So it is located on index 4. So number of element lesser than 8 will be 4. Similarly for 1, it is located on index 0. So number of element will be 0. For 2, it is located on index 1. So it will be 1, 1. And for 3, it is located on the index 3. So this we got as an output. So let's see how much we reduce the time complexity by sorting the array. So sorting can be done in time complexity of order of n log n. And then we are iterating through all the elements and we are searching the position in current array. So search will take order of log n, and at the same time we are iterating and then we are searching. So this operation also will take order of n log n, search plus iteration. So time complexity will be order of n log n. So we have reduced the time complexity from n square to order of n log n by sorting the given nums array. So let's code this in C++. So in C++, instead of creating an array, then sorting that and then writing a find algorithm on that, what we can use is we can use an inbuilt C++ container, that is multiset, and on that only we are having find method also. So let's use multiset in our code. So in the code, first I created a variable n, that is size of the input array. Then I created multiset ms, and then a vector of size n, and initialize all the value to 0. Then I am inserting all the values of the given input array into multiset so that it gets sorted. And after that, we are iterating through all the elements of the present array, and we are finding its position in the multiset. This position is returned as an iterator. So we get the index by using the diff method on position and using the variable the ms.begin, that is the first address of the multiset. And at last we are returning the output vector. So let's run this code. Yeah, so there is some compilation error, that is use of undeclared identifier diff. So let's check how to get the difference between two position in iterators. How to get between two iterators. So std distance is a function. I use it as difference. So instead of difference, this should be distance. Also, one thing I made a mistake over here. We should do ms.begin, that is the first iterator, and then we should do the second iterator. Now let's run this code. Yeah, so this is accepted. Now let's run it for all the test cases. So this is accepted for all the test cases. If you find this video helpful, please like, share the video and subscribe to the channel.